Hello everyone, this is Harshita from CAD NEST. So today in this video, let us learn what is goal seek. So as you can see, there is already a table. I have prepared a table over here. I have mentioned the formula for total. Now let us see how to use goal seek. Goal seek is used to check what should we change to reach our target. So over here, if an automobile has done sales for rupees 4,43,340 rupees, so if this is the particular automobile is earning for particular period, but his target is 5 lakh. So to reach his target, how many particular phone he should sell to reach his target? For example, let us take Realme over here. I am clicking on the total what he have already achieved. So this is his total achieved, but this is his target what he have to reach. I am clicking on the total what he have reached, and I am going to data tab. In data tab I am clicking on what if analysis. Over here I am selecting goal seek. After selecting goal seek, now on set cell I am clicking on the total what he have already reached. On to value I am giving the value of his target. So his target is 5 lakh. Now by changing, I said let's take Realme for example. So over here we have already sold 10 Realme. So I'm clicking on the quantity. You can only check this by changing the quantity. So I'm clicking on quantity. So I have already sold 10. So let me see how many more than 10 to reach my target, that is my 5 lakh. So I'm clicking on OK. After giving the perfect condition, I am clicking on OK. So you can see that by selling around 40, if I sell for Realme phones, I can reach my target of 5 lakhs, whereas I have already sold 10. So for it is 39.8, whereas 2.2 does not differ a lot. So I am taking it to round off. I am telling it is 40. In that I have already sold 10. So you can see the other 30. If I sell other 30 Realme phones, I can reach my target of 5 lakh. So this is what goal seek is. Hope this video will be helpful to you. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.